Is Xiaomi's self-install smart lock actually worth your money, or is this just another overhyped gadget? I took a close look so you don't have to waste your cash, or your time. First up, let's get this out of the way. This is a legit smart lock from Xiaomi, not some sketchy knockoff. It's listed on Xiaomi's official website, and you'll find it in major retailers so you know it's the real deal. Security-wise, the lock's packing the MJA1 security chipset and even got the official EU cybersecurity stamp of approval. That's as good as it gets for smart locks right now. They didn't stop there. There's an internal clutch to prevent forced entry, anti-tamper alerts, and, for the old-school folks, a backup mechanical key. Battery dies? No problem, you're not locked out. So, is it actually easy to install, or am I gonna need a toolbox and a degree in engineering? Let me walk you through it. Step 1. Check if your door uses a Euro profile, Scandinavian profile, or UK oval cylinder. If it does, you're golden. Then, clean up your door area, measure how much your lock cylinder sticks out, and slap on the bracket. For smooth doors, double-sided tape does the trick. If it's uneven, you might need screws, but honestly, most renters won't need to drill anything. Drop your existing key into the lock, turn the knob, and line everything up. Attach the smart lock to the bracket, tighten a few screws, and you're almost there. Stick the magnetic door sensor on your frame, just keep it within 40 millimeters so the auto lock works. Last step, charge the battery, pop it in, and use the Xiaomi Home app for setup and calibration. Follow the prompts and you're done. Bottom line, this lock lives up to the hype. Secure, easy to install, renter-friendly, and genuinely smart. If you're itching for a high-tech upgrade without calling a locksmith, Xiaomi's smart lock is a solid bet.